Everybody, just wanted to give you a brief rundown on the Tiny Core caper, whatever that means. When you're in the Arduino IDE and you want to program a Tiny 84 or Tiny 85, you got to go to the Boards Manager and make sure you have it installed. Go to the Boards Manager and type in Tiny and hit enter. And here's the Tiny Core. I've already installed it. There's a Mega Tiny Core. I don't think that's the right one for Tiny 85s because they don't list it here. And then there's the deprecated Tiny. You don't want that. So you really want this Tiny. And that's the Tiny to have. And that looks like it supports the 84 and it supports the 85. And I think I'll probably do a project with the 85 pretty soon, also known as the DigiSpark. And then when you go in and look for examples, you'll be able to find things that are compatible with the ATtiny. And in fact, here's the ATtiny Core, and here's a temperature read. Here's a servo for the Tiny Core. Here's Tiny Pixels, Tiny NeoPixels, Tiny USB library with HID, which I think maybe will work. I don't know. But if you went to the HID keyboard and you wanted to try the HID USB library, might work. I don't know. Worth trying. So that's a thing. It includes the Tiny USB, which I guess is, you can't install it any easier than that. So there you have it. Hope you like my little demo. Talk to you later. Bye.